A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bouncing ahead. C is for cat with a purr so fine. D is for dog, wagging his tail in line. Sing with me from A to Z. Learn our letters, come and see. Fun and easy, let's take flight with the alphabet. Oh, what a delight. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, hopping away. G is for garden, flowers in bloom. H is for hat, to wear in the room. Sing with me from A to Z. Learn our letters, come and see. Fun and easy, let's take flight with the alphabet. Oh, what a delight. I is for ice cream, a treat so sweet. J is for jump on happy feet. K is for kites, soaring high. L is for laughter, reaching the sky. Sing with me from A to Z. Learn our letters, come and see. Fun and easy, let's take flight with the alphabet. Oh, what a delight. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, where birdies breeze. O is for orange, a citrus delight. P is for puzzles, solving with might. Sing with me from A to Z. Learn our letters, come and see. Fun and easy, let's take flight with the alphabet. Oh, what a delight.
Q is for queen, majestic and grand. R is for rainbow, stretching the land. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for treasure found in the night. Sing with me from A to Z. Learn our letters, come and see. Fun and easy, let's take flight with the alphabet. Oh, what a delight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, music in the sky.